Good morning. My name is Iswanta Ginting. I will present my research with the title Development of Game Based on Basic Machine Learning Model in SD Brigjen Katamso Medan. Chapter 1, Introduction. A. Background. Basic movement is a requirement for primary school children. Basic movement skills are very important to learn for elementary school children because if they are not taught, the child's basic movement will get obstacles. Pangraji, 2004. 2. The process of movement learning in basic school children is in the lesson of physical education. Physical education in elementary school has the potential in developing student understanding of movement better. T. Cholik Mutohir, 2002, page 22. Next, basic movement or learning model used by primary education teachers still don't meet the needs of basic school children motion. The learning model used by physical education teachers do not pay attention to the child's movement needs, whether it's appropriate or not based on the student level. The development of basic movement is often ignored by early elementary school educators. The lack of creativity in teaching basic movement in primary school children. In learning process of physical education and health, a teacher is not only required to be professional but also required to be active and creative in modifying a learning model process and inserting elements of other subjects so that students can participate in the learning process happily, unsaturated and free to be creative and explore the potential so that students are able to develop basic movement skill through the learning model used by teacher. The result of the survey in the field still find a lot of wrong basic school children movement. B. Research methods. The type of research is research and development. This research was conducted through the potential and problem stakes, data collection, making initial product design, validating media expert and material expert. Furthermore, the product is tested on student through small group trials, revision, field trials, and final product revision. The subject of product testing is student of primary school Brigjen Katamso Medan from 2nd grade. C. Result. The final objective of this development research is to produce a product in the form of a learning model which contains a game basic movement learning model for 2nd grade elementary school children so that it can complement the existing learning at this time so that students can learn more. 1. Effective, meaning that its completeness increasing the effectiveness or confidence for students in mastering basic movement material. 2. Efficiency, which means the completeness or learning assistance where the cost and time are minimal so that maximum result can be obtained in mastering the basic motion material. 3. Interesting, meaning that it's a complete learning that has attractiveness so that students can be motivated to use it and can be continued by training in school. In the study, it was found that in the small group test, there were 80% valid with revision and the large group test it was obtained 87% valid with no revision, meaning that the result in the study were valid and the product could be used. D. Conclusion and recommendation. The conclusion in the study is that in the study it was obtained in the small group test there were 80% valid with revision and in the large group test it was obtained 87% valid with no revision, meaning that the result in the study were valid and the product could be used. This research shows that teachers must teach primary school children by playing and providing more varied games. Okay, thank you.